today. We got one that we had to bring back. She's got some oxidation. See it? Heavy layers of it. Doing the interior as well. So, gotta do a lot inside and out on this one. Finally giving you an inside out again. I don't do a lot of them anymore because I always say, to me, what matters is the outcome. So, let's see everything that's going on with it. She's got water spots, heavy oxidation on the top. You should be able to get out a good portion of that oxidation. Might not be able to get all of it out, but we'll try to see if we can reset it to new. And get it looking good for them. Here's your heavier oxidation. More oxidation, oxidation, oxidation. Again, we're gonna jump on it. Got the back seats and everything to take care of. Let's see what we can do, man. They want a ceramic coat. Here we go with our after. We did buff it out, got it looking like, as they say, new money. All those old parts that were faded, they are totally covered. Look at them. Got it looking good. She still has a few imperfections, but it's probably not a lot you can notice. Where you notice where those spots where we got them down to almost a haze. Got them down to a haze. Top restored. I know you're waiting too for the inside. Inside we restored as well. Let's see here. Shampooed everything. Cleaned everything out. Seats. Still a little wet. Still a little wet, so it looks spotty probably. Goes to show, client wanted to know, can you save me from getting a paint job? In some instances, yes, we can. We certainly can, but some we can't. Thank God on this one we could. RBS. Finished product. Dropped a 3-year coat on it after we buffed it and paint corrected it. Looks like a whole new Jeep, huh? Give us a call.